how are you? You alright? Yeah, you told me you're gonna do the 2x2 for me, yeah? Okay, so I already shuffled the 2x2 like this. So if you want, you can do in front of the camera to make sure everything is alright, yeah? Okay, do it for me, please. Yeah. Yeah, you just shuffle for me, please. Yeah, just show it on the camera for me, please. So for the audience. Yeah, oh, you already done it. Yeah, you already tough shuffled. Yes, that's good. So we can start now when I tell you in a minute. Okay, 1 second. Yeah, are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Start.
Done.
Oh yes, 8 seconds. You took only 8 seconds. Brilliant. Well done, Akshay. I'm really appreciated. You doing a good job. Good. Okay. So show me that one around the camera. All sides, yeah. Oh, good. Well done. Yeah, everything is good. Thank you. Okay. Are you? Yeah, you can give me that one now. So, you also said to me, you can do the 3x3 as well. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I already shuffled this one, the 3x3 like this. Okay. So would you mind to do it again for me in front of the camera, please? Yeah. Yeah. Okay then. Okay, just show the Rubik's in front of the camera for me, please. Okay, that's done. So when you're ready, just let me know, please.
Okay. Yeah, now I'm ready.
Are you ready now?
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. Yeah, well done, Akshay. Only 38 seconds. You took only 38 seconds. Brilliant. So can you show me the Rubik's in front of the camera, all the sides for me, please?
Green,
എല്ലാ സൈഡും കാണിച്ചോ?
blue, orange, white, yellow.
Oh, very good, Akshay. You took only 38 seconds. 38 സെക്കൻഡിനുള്ളിൽ 3x3 2x2 8 seconds. Okay, നല്ലതാണ്. സൂപ്പർ ആട്ടാ. Thank you for doing this one in front of my camera. Thank you, Akshay. Okay, it's a brilliant job. Okay, well done. I'm very proud of you, Akshay. Thanks. Okay,
Yeah, bye.
bye.
Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon below. Bye. Thank you. Bye.